Alright, today we're going to show you how to winterize your rain barrel. First step is to drain your barrel. Okay, and then the next step is to remove the fill hose here by the diverter and clean the inside of the rain barrel. You can do that using a soft cloth and a hose. So you're just going to wipe down the inside of the barrel because it gets a little bit of stuff during the summer. So after you've cleaned out your barrel, then you just put your barrel, tip it over to the side to completely drain it. And you grab your safety glasses and your drill, and you remove the diverter piece. And when you do this, you want to go kind of a side-to-side motion, left and right, slowly. And this is important to have gloves on because this is really sharp, this metal in here. And make sure you don't lose your screw. And then you simply just put on the winterizing cap over that piece and screw those same screws onto your downspout. You should be good to go for the winter.